Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Youtooz coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Youtooz coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called Knoji. And as you can see right here, you have a list of some promo codes and deals that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 20% discount right here, which is also a verified code, all you need to do is tap right here where it says get this code, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can use this one in order to get the 20% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Deal Spot. And as you can see, we also have some promo codes right here as well that we can use to get some discount. So, for example, we have this one with 10% discount, which is also a verified coupon. So all you need to do is tap right here where it says show promo code, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can use the promo code in order to get a 10% discount of your next purchase. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.